Hey y'all, how's it going? So you came here because you want to know, how do you cure a sore throat? Well, when you have a sore throat, use ginger. Let me tell you, ginger is amazing. It's an amazing therapeutic remedy. It's good for your immune system. It helps with cramps, it helps with acid reflux, it helps with pain and inflammation. So there's different types of ginger. You want to use ginger root in particular. You could either eat the piece of ginger, put it in your mouth and suck on it. You can actually boil some water, then put the ginger, let it set, and then drink that. Or there's ginger candies, like when you're on the go and you don't have time to make ginger tea. So there's ginger candies I highly recommend. So you want to put ginger, turmeric, cayenne, and some lemon juice and mix it into like a mason jar. And you take a teaspoonful, and that will help with the pain and inflammation. Okay, so you want to be consistent. You want to take that like every couple of hours, but that will definitely help. And so I want to thank you guys for listening, and just remember to take care of yourself. All right.